is the
Purushottam Jha.
Purushottam Jha was appearing.
He is not regular counsel to the High Court.
Oh my God, he comes.
Huh?
He was appearing for okay, that is what I'm saying. He was appearing, some lawyer was appearing.
What is the matter?
Single judge lordships dismissed the writ petition, or in fact disposed it of, saying that it is a civil dispute, go and entitle yourself.
No, this A16 was allotted to whom?
To me, registration we have made a request for
Without registration, how are you entitled for possession?
possession and registration. Lordship both goes
Simultaneously.
Simultaneously.
Have you requested for registration?
immediately. Lordship we will go for registration. That is not a problem, Lordship.
What is the last sentence?
Lordships, the writ petition
Notice was ordered.
notice was noticed.
Why? 2017 matter.
Lordships, earlier some lawyer was appearing for the Housing Federation.
No, in the absence of issuing notice to the respondents,
They had
it was admitted.
appeared, Your Lordships, but perhaps the lawyer is no longer appearing.
Serial number 35.
35. Respondent number 2 is the
Purushottam Jha.
Purushottam Jha was appearing.
He is not regular counsel to the High Court.
Oh my God, he comes.
Huh?
He was appearing for okay, that is what I'm saying. He was appearing, some lawyer was appearing.
What is the matter about?
The Bihar State Housing Federation, Lordship, it had issued advertisement through the administrator for auction of 2 flats. The
Auction of?
2 flats in the Patna district, Lordships. And the petitioner was the highest bidder for flat number A16, Jagat Amravati apartment.
868.
A16, A for apple.
816.
No,
Capital A -16, 16.
Huh.
Block A16 flat number. And the building name is Jagat Amravati apartment. It had deposited the total amount of 43 lakhs, which was the bid for that apartment. That is not in dispute, Your Lordships. And that amount was deposited on 17/8/2012 was the last installment which was paid.
17/8, 2000?
12, Your Lordships.
At a time.
At a time, that was the last installment, Your Lordships.
No, in the last installment itself, 43 lakhs.
No, that was the last installment was of 16 lakhs 27,500.
Anyway, he has deposited.
There are no dues, and it to deposit was within time also. But Lordship, they did not hand me over the possession, and therefore the petitioner had come before this honourable court with a very short prayer that since it was the highest bidder, the possession of the flat be handed over to it. For possession of the flat be handed over to the petitioner since it was the highest bidder for the flat in question. Learned single judge lordships dismissed the writ petition, or in fact disposed it of, saying that it is a civil dispute, go and entitle yourself.
No, this A16 was allotted to whom?
To me, Your Lordship.
Thereafter, what happened?
They did not hand me over the possession of the flat.
What is the reason?
There is no reason, they are not forthcoming, no reason is forthcoming from them. They just sat over the matter. At that point of time, the Housing Federation had gone under liquidation. Currently, it is functioning as usual, Your Lordship. It is not.
Now, this flat is still vacant.
It is still vacant, it is still in their possession, Lordship, as per my instruction which I have received from them. And they have retained the total payment till date, Your Lordship. They have retained the total payment. It is still vacant, and they have not handed
They
over.
have not returned the 43 lakhs.
Nothing, Your Lordship. They have kept it.
Along with the interest, nothing.
Nothing. Last 10 years, they have kept it. Facts are not in dispute, Your Lordship. Facts are not at all in dispute. They have kept it, Your Lordship, as it is.
Now, this cooperative federation is still existing.
Yes, it is still existing, Your Lordship.
Is it a government organization?
Lordship, it is controlled by the government, Your Lordship. The managing director is the secretary of the government of Bihar, and its board of directors. In the board of directors, there is finance commissioner, and all those functionaries are there.
None appears for the respondents. Matter is of the year 2017. Grievance of the petitioner is in respect of giving possession of the allotted flat. Full stop. In this regard, writ was filed in the year 2014 with reference to last installment paid on 17/8/2012. No, after last installment, you are required to go for registration, then only possession certificate. Have you requested for registration?
Lordship, sir, the registration we have made a request for
Without registration, how are you entitled for possession?
possession and registration, Lordship, both goes
Simultaneously.
Simultaneously.
Have you requested for registration?
immediately, Lordship, we will go for registration. That is not a problem, Lordship.
What is the last sentence?
In this regard, writ was filed in the year 2000 with reference to last installment paid on 17/8/2002.
Thereafter, further necessary steps have not been taken by the second respondent in getting registration of the allotted flat and possession certificate from the competent authority and handing over the possession of the allotted flat. Stop. No reasons are forthcoming as to why there is an inaction on the part of the second respondent in not proceeding with the process of registration, possession certificate and handing over the possession. Full stop. Release this matter next week for personal appearance of a second respondent.